Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, hit the bell button right next to it so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Go ahead and make sure you follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. If you are not already following, make sure y'all go do that. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. So today I literally am just showing y'all how I install my wigs. This wig is from Atzhair hair. It is a 4x4 lace front wig. It's Brazilian Remy human hair. So it's cut into a short bob, and they said it's already pre-plucked. I had to pluck it out a little bit more just because I know how I like my hair to be plucked and everything. But I did see some plucking that they already did. But yeah, this is the Atzhair 10-inch bob or whatever, and it's really cute. I love it so much. I just wanted to show y'all how I like to install my wigs, whether it be my lace fronts, my closures, whatever the case may be. I install everything almost the same way. I think with an actual frontal I do the wig cap method, but since this is just more like a closure, I decided to just go ahead and just slap it on my head. As you'll see in the video, what I love about this hair, besides the fact that it's just really I don't know, it's just really flowy and bouncy, I love how deep the part goes. That matters to me. I hate when a wig and the part stops right there. That shit is so weird. So I love that it goes all the way back, and it's really cute, really bouncy, really cool. I like it. It's different for me. It gives me this vibe. It was really easy to put on. It has adjustable straps in the back, and it also has clips as well. So I clipped it onto my head, and then I used the strap to make it a lot tighter on my head, so this baby ain't going nowhere. Wig secured, okay? So initial review, I like the hair. I never did really short hair like this, so I was kind of scared, but now that I got it on, it is really cute. Makes me look like Lord Faldark or whatever his name is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They constructed the wig really well. It is a few pieces in there that I was like, okay, I gotta fix that, just because the way that the hair was laying, so it made it a lot more puffier. But I fixed it, so I'm gonna just have to go back in with some mousse and flatten this and tie it down or whatever, just so that it'll lay a lot more flat. But overall, I really do like this wig. Again, I got this hair from Atzhair hair, the 4x4 lace front wig, and again, this Brazilian Remy human hair. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and how I install my wigs, then make sure you keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig comes in. So it comes in a little net. I had taken that off already, a little baggy. It also comes with a mesh net and also a card just showing them, what their Instagram is, the style of the hair, etc, etc. So this is the hair straight out of the box. I literally did nothing to it, but as you can see, I'm combing it right now. It's so full and thick and nice. So it came with this little mesh part over top of the lace, so you're gonna see me go in for it in a second and cut that off, just so I can see the just the lace in its full and see what needs to be done as far as plucking and bleaching. You'll also see that there are about 3 clips on the wig as well, and as well as a adjustable strap. So this wig is definitely gonna make sure that you're secure. You got the straps and you got the clips, so I love it. I'm here for it. Alright, so as you can see from the underbelly of the wig, this is what the closure looks like, the lace closure looks like, and then you'll see from the top. So yeah, as you can see, they did pluck it. It is really nice, it's a good amount of transparent, but I like mine to be as transparent as possible. So I'm gonna flip the wig over, just basically flip it over, put it on the mannequin head, and I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the actual closure. Just to bleach the knots and everything and make it more transparent. So I'm going to be using the regular WB-40, all that good stuff. I said BW2 and 40 volume developer. I don't know what I was saying. And just bleaching it. I like to make my consistency for my bleach very thick, because if you don't, it will run through and bleach your actual roots of your hair, as you'll see in a couple seconds, which it did. So upset about it, but it was still cute. So just make sure you make your consistency really thick so it doesn't actually bleach the hair. So this is what it looks like after I bleached the knots. I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, it did run through. So like I said, it is a kind of blonde in the front, but it was okay. It was still cute, and it's nothing a little mascara or like black eyeshadow can fix. Now I'm just going to go ahead and assess what needs to be plucked. I like my hairs to be plucked really, really, like, I just like it, I don't know, at least it look natural as possible, like even a closure, not even just the frontal, closures as well. So I take the first layer of like the closure, and I take like the first thinnest layer of hair, and I like separate that and use that for my baby hairs, and then I go in and start plucking the actual what will be my hairline, just so that it can be thinned out. You don't want your hairline to be really thick because then it looks real like closure-y or like a wiggy. So if you pluck it out, it looks a lot more natural. I like to pluck my hairs when my hair is wet, so I like to leave it damp. It just makes it a lot easier as far as plucking. And also, you want to pluck from the roots. You never want to pluck from the ends, just because if you pluck from the ends, you may cause some damage to your actual lace. So always pluck from the root. And then you'll see me going with the comb every couple of like seconds, just combing out the hairs that I plucked away, just to see how far we've gotten in the plucking process. So as you see in the front, it's a lot thicker than in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck the back. I like my closures to be thicker just because like the part, I don't know, I have a thick part in my head. So it just makes sense to make my closures, like the closure part, thick as well. But that's completely up to you. You might like yours not as thick, but this is how mine look. So now you're going to see me go in with the lace. I cut my lace complete, like 1000%, like to the core, very straight on to the hairline. Like if you want your wig to look as like natural as possible, you don't want to leave any excess lace. So make sure you cut it directly on, like, right before the hairline. So now this is just self-explanatory. I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my wig because it is a bob. And yeah. So now I'm going to go in with my wand curler because I don't have a freaking hot comb. So I go in with the wand curler just to lay it down flat. Foam also helps with that as well, and just tying it down with a scarf. So this is what it looks like. I'm just sliding my wig on. You're going to see me go in and do my baby hairs with the hairs that I had cut from earlier with my got-to-be glue and a little comb, just to make it look as natural as possible. And then I'll probably just tie it down for a few seconds and I'll be on my way. Alright y'all, so this is the final product. This is what the wig looks like on my hair. We literally went from it looking like how it looked to this. Is so pretty, it's so cute. Y'all seen I did my baby hairs, I plucked it, I flat ironed it a little bit, and that's all I did. I didn't have to cut it or anything. It literally came symmetrical and just perfect all around, and I just absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments if y'all like this hair on me. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see more looks like this or whatever the case may be. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram because I will be uploading some fire pictures on Instagram in this wig. Okay, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. Check the description box down below because I will put the link and everything about the hair in the description box down below, so make sure y'all go check that out. All right, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.